Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to restrict Discord from accessing your files and media on your Android device. It's essential to maintain your privacy, and this quick tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Settings app. Once you're in, scroll down until you find the Apps section and tap on it. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, scroll down again to find and select Discord. Once you're in the Discord app settings, look for the Permissions option and tap on it to see what access Discord currently has. Now it's time to focus on your files and media. Tap on Files and Media to see the options available for access. Finally, tap on the circle next to Don't Allow. This step ensures that Discord no longer has access to your files and media, keeping your sensitive information secure. And that's it. You've successfully restricted Discord from accessing your files and media. Remember, taking control of your privacy is always a wise decision.